relaxing. Don't know much about Godfather.
You are a fucking headache.
What the fuck, Money?
What?
Oh, it's a quick.
Dude, you stupid motherfucker!
Yeah,
Oh, okay.
Okay, now
I didn't do that on purpose. I thought you were Money.
No scope.
Don't know much about his story.
Dude, 9 death streak. I'm calling it Harriers. I'm just kidding.
Jesus Christ!
That is it.
Dude, those are Harriers. That's not the same thing. Sit down!
What the fuck?
What is it?
That's bullshit.
Calling it Harriers.
I was fucking winning too, you fuck. Money, you cheated. You fucking suck at the game, dude.
I was bare rapid firing.
Oh, your goddamn I think we can all agree, Money doesn't know history.
No.
Why couldn't we just play a nice game?
We're gonna bring everybody in there. We're gonna have to play ground war.
We're gonna have to what are we doing?
We're gonna do ground war.
So confused.
Alright, let me make a class.
Team
Hey, dude,
deathmatch lobby.
Money, if you fucking rage quit, you're not playing
won't.
with us.
No,
you're grounded
I
for a
won't.
week.
You're not my friend anymore.
You're grounded for a week.
I'm pulling out the nub tub, money tub. I call it the money tub. Money's a noob, so I replace money with
Money noob!
the
That is
money
it.
tub.
You all gonna cut the cord? I'll cut the fucking cord.
Cut the cord.
Cut
Money.
the fucking
In
cord.
the nicest way, cut the cord. In the nicest
I will.
way.
I'll cut the fucking
Cut the
cord. Like, you think
Not
this
that
is a
cord,
joke?
but cord. The
My
umbilical
crew
cord.
with that.
Alright,
okay,
man, let's
you
get
push
these
me past
motherfuckers.
the
We gotta
brink of
win this
suicide.
game.
We need to
This
keep
whole
up.
B&A.
This game makes me sexually
They're
frustrated.
just shooting fucking jitters and tubing.
I'm happy.
I don't.
Keep it moving.
Get it, bro. Get it. I'm running. I'm pushing. I'm
You got
pushing.
it.
Gonna fucking
Good shit, little
fucking
dude.
motherfuckers.
Good shit, brother. Look out! Look out! Joe's out. RPG Joe's out. RPG Joe's out.
RP Joe.
Oh shit. Dude, he's on the roof.
Let's kill. On the roof.
Oh, get him chillaxing, help.
Got him.
Good shit, MJ. My niggas, that look like orangutans.
I'm running in this motherfucker. I'm crazy like that.
I'm putting on Bravo.
Go.
I'm happy. Got him.
Fucking shot this game. Yeah, bro.
You
We
can't
won though. We won.
I'm even.
automatic.
win like
29
this.
and 29.
Yeah, come on,
You
dude.
physically can't complain. It's impossible to complain a win like this.
Alright.
Dude, it's a ground war. Oh yeah.
Whoa!
Are you fucking kidding me?
That was because of you, little J, dude. That was because of you.
Oh, we didn't win. Wow. What happened?
Wow.
What happened?
Damn.
What happened?
Nuke off of nuke tubes, bruh.
What happened? No! Dang, dude. How did that even happen?
We lost
Domination again.
We lost that.
This dude's a fucking trash.
We seriously lost that.
We lost that! Never.
Hey, come on. There we go.
Move, nigga.
Oh, I got it. I got it. Don't push that green bean.
That ass.
This guy's gonna get a nuke again. He's 12-0.
Oh god. Stop him! Stop him! This is getting old! Oh shit! Hey, get him! He's in the back of their spawn! He's probably in the back of their spawn, dude! Oh fuck!
Switch to a
We should've
cold-blooded
I can't get in.
class.
I'm a 0-8! Oh my God! He's trying to know! He's trying to have a kill!
Oh my god. Wow.
No! He got it! We're fucking done! Yeah, I'm shutting it down. Shut it down.
Back out. Back out.
Back out! Back out!
We could have taken them down if Lil J didn't scream. If you guys would have listened and put cold-blooded on and went through the tunnel to their spawn, you could have killed them. But all I
Come
heard
on,
was...
guys. Fuck!
If I get another fucking 10 points for nothing, I'm gonna fucking end my life.
Dude, we got a fucking file on that guy. He's fucking cheating, dude. Yeah, they always wait till like 199. And then they're like, hey, bro. Yeah, I've never had a nuke legit, so I don't know what I'm talking about at all.
I just wish you would stop following us, though.
Dude, he got like 2 nukes, dude.
Damn.
If I just throw grenades at the entrance and then die, I get killed.
Got him.
My KD stays normal.
Yeah, guess who's getting... Hey, and money, guess who's getting plus 10, you fat fuck.
Dude, this is so stupid.
Dude, he's fucking 79 and 2. This guy is a hacker.
Yeah.
Come on! Win the game! We got triple!
He's gonna call it, yup.
Fuck! Fuck! Fuck!
Send him a message.
Chopper
Send him a
gunner!
message.
Yeah, he literally just was us. It's
Dude, he is
annoying.
following us. Here, dude, appear offline. Yeah, I don't know what's happening.
Don't pass up C. Somebody go get C.
I'll go get it.
Gotcha.
I'm going to B.
Well, now everybody,
Shit.
look at this. Everybody went for C. Look at that. Everybody went for C, but...
Fuck you!
I'm just gonna hide underneath this deck.
Just hold B.
IMJ. He says, I'm just
They already
high.
gave up.
Dude, did anybody just see that guy go invisible?
I watched him teleport, yeah.
I watched them teleport. They both saw the same thing. We have to. Who was it?
I don't know, some
I don't know
guy,
if anyone already said it.
some gilly just like disappeared out of thin air.
I was shooting
yeah.
at him and he fucking teleported.
I got a UAV.
It's over
Good at
now.
this game. Hey, enemy UAV. It's over. Hey, Viral, suck it. Care package in time, bitch. Woo! Oh, what happened? What happened? Look, dude got a 0.5 ratio. That's what happened, V-Viral. What? I'm sending him a message.
Tell him what happened. Tell him what happened.
I'm gonna stop him. Fucking.
Everybody show up offline.
Yeah.
I'm gonna put LMAO before I do that.
OG, show up offline. I am.
Sir.
Appear off.
These
Appear
drunk-
offline. Appear offline. Wine or beer? Appear offline or
You
wine?
go to preferences,
Go offline. Like, go off.
He invited me to a game.
like
yeah, I'm
like
appearing
cut
now.
the cord at the back of your Xbox, kind of off.
Yeah, there
Turn
you
it
go,
off.
bro.
Like, shut it
That'll
down.
show him.
Why'd you
I'm
feel
talking
it?
about throw that thing out the window, second story, to shut it down. Money wants to...
Everybody appear off.
Yep.
Yeah, we off.
Alright, I'm gonna avoid them too.
1,000 text.
So was I like not supposed to be inviting him to all of our games, or like I don't understand what we're doing on
You,
there.
AJ, you fucking goofball.
We will kill you.
At me, bro. At me, bro. At me, bro.
Couldn't have waited till I got out. Why?
Oh my God, money, he pulled it off. What a fail! I'm greater than 3, bro. I'm greater than 3.